tired of writing and maintaining automation tests? What if Claude could write these tests for you and handle your local setup and debug them just from a simple conversation? And today I will show you a web app testing Claude skill that can enable Claude to do it. If you ever spend hours writing and debugging flaky Playwright tests, then this Claude skill is about to change your workflow. Web app testing skill is a toolkit that lets Claude to write, run, and debug tests for your local web applications. Just describe what you want to test and Claude will handle it end to end. From writing to running the tests, making screenshots, debugging it, and giving you the final result. It comes with the scripts that help you manage the entire testing lifecycle, starting servers, running tests, and cleaning up when it's done. And now I'm going to show you this skill in action, so keep watching. Here's a project, a simple chat. If I run this yarn dev, you will see the UI is pretty straightforward. So we are going to test it using this web app testing skill. First of all, let's see how we can install it. So let's run Claude, and I already have it installed. And to see all skills you've got, you can just type /skills. Here is our skills. And this is the one that we're going to use, web app testing. It's already installed for me, but if you want to install it, all you need to do is just run this command and it will install the marketplace. After you install it, you can go to the plugins, go to the marketplaces, and then you need to select these Anthropic agent skills, and you'll see these document skills and example skills. So you need to install this. I think it was this example skills. This example skills plugin includes the web testing skills that we are interested in. So just install these. You can install both of them. It's not a big deal. And then you will see this skill in your skills list. You will be able to use it. The usage is super simple. It is as straightforward as it can be. You can just tell it, test this app, and everything else Claude will figure on its own. Of course, you can give it more precise instructions if you want to test just certain feature or certain screen. But in my case, I just want to see what Claude come up with. So let's see. It figured out that this is a deep research chat application. It uses Gemini AI. Now it is going to run the application. And the interesting bit here, actually I need to stop it here. The interesting bit here is that this application has two servers, front-end and back-end. So I want to see if Claude can figure out that it needs to run both of them and on which ports they're running. And now it is asking me to use this skill. I already have Playwright installed, but if it's not installed, it will attempt to install it. And it will write a Python script for the Playwright. I see it cannot find a Playwright. I think because it actually requires a Python version of Playwright, and I've got the JavaScript one, the Node modules one installed. And we can see that it started testing. First test loading the page. It loads the correct URL. It's checking the API. I think this is also the correct one, probably. I don't remember. Cannot find the backend. Let's see if this agent can deal with it. Did it even run the backend? Yeah, I think it figured out that we need to run them both. And there are some errors. So it is changing the ports. I think it's because I had my app running at that point when Claude started it, so it ran on the wrong ports initially. But it figured it out and it's gonna fix it. And now it made some screenshots and it is checking the screenshots to see if UI is rendered correctly. And it gave us the report with the screenshots. It says the app is fully functional and ready to use, and backend infrastructure working correct. The deep research mode is also available. And this is the initial screen. This is the chat response. What's quantum computing? It's not a response actually, it's still thinking. I think it is slightly wrong because I don't see the response itself. So let's ask it, can you wait for the actual chatbot response? Now it shows it is still thinking. And we can see that it updated the test file with some logic. Let's allow it to run. So it finished the testing and it tells that my app is working excellently. So how can we check it? There are some other screenshots, new ones that the Claude Code made. And now we can see that there is actually an answer here, so it really worked. But what else we can see? Chat final, yeah, chat response. And it wrote this test into temp folder. But what if you want to reuse it? I think it would be a good idea to save it in the project folder. Can you create an end-to-end test folder and save the test spec there? And you can see now we've got our test, and we can fix something we don't like about it and commit it to our repo if you want, or we can continue working with our AI QA to work on these tests. So that's how we run it without the assistant. It suggests us just to run it with the Python, and here we can see the output basically the same what Claude did. And now our screenshots live in the repo as well. Chat initial, chat final, response. Today we saw how a web app testing Claude skill turned writing tests from a boring chore into a conversation. Instead of reading Playwright docs and debugging selectors, you just describe what you want to test and Claude handles the implementation. And to try it yourself, just make sure that you've got Playwright installed, then add a web app testing skill to your Claude Code and ask it to test something in your local app. Then you can just sit back and watch how it is writing tests, running them, and provides you a testing report. So that's it for today, and I shared the link to this Claude skill in the description for this video. And if this was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.